Once upon a time, in the lush, verdant heart of Friendly Forest, there existed a very special group of creatures known as the Super Animal Friends. This exceptional team included Flash the Rabbit, known for his incredible speed, Hooty the Wise Owl, the brain of the bunch, and Ellie the Elephant, who was immensely strong yet gentle. Each member of the Super Animal Friends had their own unique ability, but they all shared a common goal: to help their fellow forest dwellers and maintain peace. Their little corner of the world was a happy one, where every animal, big or small, felt safe and valued. One sunny morning, the peace was disturbed by a loud ruckus coming from the nearby riverbank. Without a moment's hesitation, the Super Animal Friends leapt into action. As they approached, they saw a group of young ducklings struggling against the river's swift current, their mother acting anxiously. "Quickly, to the river," shouted Ellie, her powerful legs carrying her ahead of the others. She reached out her long trunk and gently scooped up the ducklings, placing them safely on the shore. Meanwhile, Flash darted along the riverbank, herding any stray ducklings back to their mother, and Hooty hovered above, guiding the Operation W. His keen eyesight and quick thinking. Once the last duckling was safely ashore, the mother duck thanked the Super Animal Friends profusely. "Thank you so much. Why babies," she quacked gratefully. Back at their home base, a hollowed-out tree that served as their meeting spot, the friends celebrated their successful rescue. The incident reminded them of the value of teamwork and the importance of each of their special skills. Together, the Super Animal Friends continued to watch over Friendly Forest, ever ready to come to the aid of those in need, living by their motto: no friend too small, no deed too big. And the forest thrived, a testament to the power of friendship and cooperation.